Welcome to another edition, yes, another edition of Smiley Miley Does DIY on the road. Let me show you what problem I've got now. This is a nice table, and the table moves thus, and there's a lever underneath, and you can drop it down to form the extra bed. However, a while back I found this on the floor and I didn't know what it was, but I sure as hell know now, because this table is supposed to have a dampener underneath it so that when you go around the corner it doesn't do this. How slow you go, it does it, and it's driving me up the crackers. So I'm going to go underneath the table, see if I can lift this lid off and find out what the hell's going on. Oh, well, here I am on the floor. I think getting too old for this, but let's have a look, see. So what we've got here, we've got screws there, and there's screws there, and it's the same the other side. So I'm just going to whip these screws off, and we'll see what's happening. Okay, so the tabletop is off, and it's quite clear that that fitted on there like that, and there must have been one to the other side here. So I bought some Velcro here from B&Q. Other stores are available, and I'm going to cut into strips and glue it on. But first of all I need some terps to take all the old glue off and degrease it, reapply the strips, let it set, and hopefully that'll do the job. So these cleaned up pretty quickly, so all the glue's off there now. It should be nice and ready to apply the new strips. The new strips, where is it? The new strips come with a backing, so there'll be glue on the back of that, but I'm not taking any chances. I'm going to add some super glue to make sure they don't come off again. What can possibly go wrong? Right, so the new strips are on. Doesn't seem to be moving. I'm going to leave that set for half an hour, go and do something else. Then I'm going to put the tabletop back on, and hopefully I can report that my problem of sliding table around corners is finally over. Speak to you soon. So what's the verdict? Let's have a look. Oh yes, that's got a nice little bite to it now. You have to really push that to get that out of the way. That is the job done. But how long will it last? I'll let you know. Oh, incidentally, where are you? I bought 3 packs of these. Well, I didn't know how many I was going to use, did I? So if you've got the same problem, just come find me, because I'll let you have a few strips for free. Okay.